Welcome back to MrGadget. The JBL Go 4 and Clip 5 look similar, but I've done the testing and I have a clear verdict. I'm breaking down the specs and the real audio performance, using a Zoom Pro grade microphone recorded in stereo to find out which one truly deserves your money. Starting with the specs, the JBL Go 4 packs 4.2 watts of power and up to 9 hours of total playtime with the new boost mode. It's fully waterproof, supports Auracast, and all this comes just under $50. Inside the box, it's short and sweet. You get the speaker, the usual paperwork, and the standard black USB-C charging cable. Even though the speaker is red, JBL keeps the cable a classic black. Looking at it up closely, the build quality is classic JBL. The rugged fabric feels great, the buttons are nice and clicky, and this new integrated loop makes it way more practical to carry around. It feels solid for its size. Moving on to the Clip 5. This one is a significant step up with 7 watts of power and an impressive 15 hours of total playtime using the boost mode. It's also IP67 rated, making it the perfect outdoor companion for $80. In the box, we have the speaker, the quick start guide, and just like with the Go 4, a standard black USB-C cable. It's simple, clean, and exactly what you'd expect from JBL's eco-friendly packaging. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned carabiner. It has a much wider opening now, so it fits on almost anything. The overall build feels incredibly rugged and premium. It's slightly heavier than the Go 4, but that extra size usually means more bass. Now, let's put them both on the scale. First, the Go 4. It's incredibly light at exactly 194 grams, which is about 6.84 ounces. You'll barely feel this in your pocket or clipped to your bag. Now, the Clip 5. This one comes in at 290 grams, or roughly 10.2 ounces. It's a noticeable jump in weight, but it feels much more substantial and rugged in the hand. And now, for the main event, the sound test. Everything you're about to hear was recorded using the Zoom E1 Essentials to capture every single detail. Volume is synced to 70 decibels. Put on your headphones and listen for yourself.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
So, now that you've heard the sound test for yourself, let's break down what's actually happening here. On paper, the Clip 5 is much more powerful and lasts nearly twice as long on a single charge. Both are IP67 rated, so whether it's dust or water, they are both built to handle anything you throw at them. The Go 4 is the clear winner if portability is your main goal. It's tiny, it fits literally anywhere. And for $50, it sounds surprisingly clear. In my tests, I found it holds up really well in the mid-range, which makes it perfect for podcasts or just casual listening while you're on the move. But as you probably heard, in the audio test, the Clip 5 is just in a different league when it comes to bass. It sounds much fuller and has that extra punch you'll definitely need if you're outdoors. Plus, that redesigned carabiner is a huge improvement. It's wider, smoother, and much easier to hook onto your gear. So, which one should you pick? If you want the smallest, most affordable speaker that just works, stick with the Go 4. But if you want that extra bass and up to 15 hours of battery life, the $30 jump to the Clip 5 is definitely worth the upgrade. Let me know in the comments which one sounded better to your ears. If you enjoyed this sound battle, hit like and subscribe. For more gadget tests, check out the channel and find the speaker links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.